Welcome to the latest episode of activeCollab's Recaps. During the summer, we worked on improving ways to manage recurring tasks. In September, we continued work on recurring tasks and incorporated them into the workload. Additionally, we made the user's capacity configurable per day and brought that to Workload. Planning is so much easier because these enhancements help Workload better represent actual availability and work that's ahead of your team. Let's dig into the details. Recurring tasks on Workload. When creating a recurring task, you can now choose a bi-monthly interval so you can schedule your assignments for every other month. Workload now shows recurring tasks. When they have an estimate set, it will also take them into account when calculating a member's workload. This feature lets you plan better for regular activities. Recurring tasks on Workload were initially developed for activeCollab 8. The team was able to retrofit this feature to activeCollab 7, so you have a better planning experience today without waiting. Custom availability. A very sought-after feature is setting working hours and availability for individual employees per day. In activeCollab 8, you'll be able to set up custom availability for each team member, no matter how dynamic it is. In this example, we set a member to work 8 hours a day, except Fridays, when they work 4 hours. These settings are reflected on Workload, so it properly calculates that this member is overloaded on Friday if they have more than 4 hours of work. If we set any day's capacity to 0 hours, activeCollab will show that a member is unavailable on that day each week. Coming up, in October, we'll continue working on custom availability improvements and add options that will prevent common time tracking mistakes, selecting an incorrect job type or date. Follow this channel so you don't miss our next recap. See you then!